Welcome to watch my video. We are a professional food flavor research and development, production and sales company committed to providing customers with the best quality products and services through strict quality control and safety monitoring. Our food flavors ensure that our products comply with international standards and regulations and do not cause any harm to human health during use. We have a variety of flavors, including natural flavors and synthetic flavors, which can meet the needs and requirements of different customers. Our products are widely used in a variety of food fields, such as beverages, confectionery, baking, as well as medicine, cosmetics, and other industries. We adopt advanced technology and equipment to ensure high quality and stability in the production process. As a professional food flavor wholesaler, we not only provide the highest quality products, but also provide personalized solutions and professional technical support. We can produce specific fragrances and formulations according to customer needs to help customers improve product quality and market competitiveness. If you are interested in our products or have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact us. We will serve you wholeheartedly.